Good AM. Today is Saturday, October 14, 2023. And here are the 10:30 AM STL Visayas result today. Here are the STL Sewer 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games and Amusement Corporation for October 14, 2023, Saturday. Here are the STL Sewer 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Fiona Trading and Supply Corporation for Saturday, October 14, 2023. Here are the STL Sewer 3 10:30 AM result for Cebu City under LTS Advance Incorporated for October 14, 2023, Saturday. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of October 14, 2023, Saturday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.